travel 295th Taylor track, this time at 3rd Avenue at the 14th Street Canarsie lines. We're at the Brooklyn bound track. Seeing the L train depart. Ooh, gross. It needs attention. It really does. But there is a single problem in this station. There is no free crossover or cross under from this side of the station to that side of the station. So we have to do 3rd Avenue and 1st Avenue in two parts. The Brooklyn side first, and then the 8th Avenue bound side second. And really, it needs attention. Really, it does. It needs attention. Uh-oh, MTA. Wake up and smell the coffee. This is one of those stations that attention is required immediately. And we could preview the other side, and that is worse. That is almost the same as this side. Well, we'll see you on the other side here at 3rd Avenue. After doing the Brooklyn side, we're at the 8th Avenue track side. At 3rd Avenue, you're at the 8th, 14th Street and Canarsie lines. Oh, that is not nice. Let's wait for the L train to depart. To conclude the stay of the track. As we told you on the other side, this one is kind of worse than the other side. Shaking my head. It needs attention. So, this will conclude our state of the track at 3rd Avenue.